There's a reason the world still watches America whenever the impossible suddenly becomes real. In Mojave, California, Boom Supersonic has already shattered the sound barrier 3 times in just 15 minutes, reaching Mach 1.7, fast enough to cut New York to London down to only 3.5 hours. In San Carlos, Joby Aviation completed a staggering 850 flying taxi test flights in a single year, preparing to turn the brutal 1-hour drive from Midtown Manhattan to JFK into a breathtaking 7-minute flight. Meanwhile, Zipline drones are already delivering life-saving medicine across Texas. So, here's the question. While the rest of the world debates the future, is America already living in it? 8. Boom. Overture. For 27 years, Concorde ruled the skies as the ultimate symbol of speed and luxury. Then, one tragic crash in 2000 grounded the dream forever. The infamous sonic boom that shattered windows for miles became an unsolvable problem. Airlines abandoned the technology. Governments banned it. Supersonic travel was declared dead, a beautiful failure of the 20th century. But Boom Supersonic didn't come to fix Concorde. They came to completely reinvent the physics of flight. Their revolutionary XB-1 demonstrator didn't just break the sound barrier, it shattered it 3 times in a single 1.5-minute window, without producing any audible sonic boom on the ground. Mach 1.7. Twice as fast as today's commercial jets. New York to London in just 3.5 hours. Tokyo to Seattle in 6. What used to be exhausting full-day journeys now become relaxed, morning to afternoon trips. Then came the historic moment. In June 2025, the United States government lifted its 5-2-year ban on supersonic flight over American soil. Not because the technology got louder, but because Boom finally made it quiet enough. United Airlines, American Airlines, and Japan Airlines have already placed massive orders. The age of supersonic civilian travel isn't coming. It has already begun, and America is leading the charge once again. 7. Joby S-4. Flying cars have been promised as just 5 years away since 1917. For over a century, every generation was teased with the dream, yet no one ever delivered. The obstacles weren't just technological, they were deafening noise, impossible safety standards, and the total lack of infrastructure. Billions were spent, countless prototypes failed, and the world eventually stopped believing. Joby Aviation, the California pioneer, didn't chase another sci-fi fantasy. They engineered a revolutionary electric air taxi, the S-4, that quietly solved every major problem at once. This sleek, zero-emission vertical takeoff aircraft carries up to 4 passengers at speeds of 320 kilometers per hour. It's whisper quiet, produces no pollution, and can operate autonomously from existing helipads without needing massive new infrastructure. In 2025 alone, Joby completed a staggering 850 test flights, a jaw-dropping 260% increase from the previous year, logging over 80,000 kilometers in the air. Delta Airlines has moved far beyond interest. They've signed a major agreement to deploy the service between Midtown Manhattan and JFK Airport. A soul-crushing 1-hour car ride through traffic will soon be reduced to an astonishing 7 minutes in the sky. While other nations are still stuck in regulatory debates, America is already manufacturing the future. The world's first commercial passengers will take off in Dubai in 2026, and major cities worldwide are next in line. 6. ALEF Model A. Every single flying car concept in history has failed for the exact same heartbreaking reason. To fly, you need wings and rotors, but those same features make the vehicle completely useless, heavy, and illegal on normal roads. For decades, brilliant engineers hit the same wall. Prototypes looked incredible in videos, but were impractical nightmares in real life. The dream always died on paper. ALEF Aeronautics, the visionary California startup, refused to accept that limitation. They created something revolutionary, the world's first fully street-legal electric flying car, the ALEF Model A. On the ground, it drives like a sleek sports car with a range of up to 320 kilometers. But when you need to fly, it does something no one has ever seen before. The entire body rotates 90 degrees on its own axis in one smooth motion. The sides of the car transform into powerful lift surfaces, while hidden propulsion units emerge and become high-efficiency propellers. It lifts astronomically straight off the street, flies up to 180 kilometers, and lands almost anywhere. The FAA has already granted it full airworthiness certification, a monumental achievement. More than 3,500 units have been ordered by eager customers worldwide. Production of the first vehicles officially began in December 2025. Yes, it starts at $300,000, but ALEF promises that with mass production, the price could drop dramatically to the level of a premium compact car. The real question isn't whether you'll be able to afford it. The question is whether you'll still want to crawl through traffic on the ground when your neighbor is already soaring over the city like it's the year 2050. #5 Jetpack Aviation JB-10. Personal jetpacks have been humanity's ultimate fantasy since the 1960s. NASA built prototypes, and Hollywood made them look effortless. But reality was cruel. Most could only fly for 30 pathetic seconds. Just enough for a dramatic James Bond entrance, never enough for anything truly useful. The dream remained trapped in science fiction for decades. Until now. California-based Jetpack Aviation has turned that fantasy into reality. With the JB-10, the world's first practical personal jetpack, powered by two powerful turbojet engines generating over 150 kilograms of combined thrust, it reaches breathtaking speeds of 190 kilometers per hour and can climb to an astonishing 4,500 meters. Control feels completely natural as you vector thrust with your hands, just like a fighter pilot. Best of all, it's the only personal jetpack fully certified by the FAA and available for civilians to own and fly. What most people don't know is that the U.S. Special Operations Command is already secretly testing the JB-10 for real tactical missions. When elite military forces adopt a consumer product this aggressively, history shows the entire industry accelerates at warp speed. From $295,000, this is no longer a prototype. It's a real product that lets you strap on wings and own the sky. #4 Seabreacher X. Throughout history, every vehicle has fit neatly into one clear category: car, boat, plane, or submarine. These categories dictate strict regulations, which in turn control who can build them, who can buy them, and who can actually use them. Breaking that system has always been nearly impossible. The Seabreacher X from California's Interpace Productions shatters that entire rulebook. This extraordinary machine doesn't fit any single category. With the aggressive body of a 3-meter shark, it rockets across the water at 80 kilometers per hour on the surface, dives up to 1.5 meters underwater, and dramatically launches itself completely out of the water like a flying fish. Its groundbreaking patented vectored propulsion system perfectly mimics the powerful tail movements of real sharks, giving it full aircraft-like control pitch, roll, and yaw across all three dimensions simultaneously, whether flying above or slicing through water. Sealed inside a fighter jet-style hermetic cockpit, pilots describe the experience as absolutely unreal. Not driving, not diving, but truly flying a fighter jet underwater. The U.S. Coast Guard certified it as a recreational vessel, the closest label they could find for something this revolutionary. At $85,000 with waiting lists stretching for months, the Seabreacher X isn't just a new vehicle. It's a whole new category of adrenaline. #3 Sarcos Guardian XO. By 2030, 1 in 4 workers in developed countries will be over 55. The brutal physical jobs that keep civilization running, cargo handling, construction, manufacturing, and logistics, slowly destroy the human body. Back pain, joint failure, and chronic injuries have always been the inevitable price of hard labor. For generations, there was simply no real technological solution. Sarcos has finally changed that forever with the Guardian XO, a full-body exoskeleton that feels like wearing superhuman power. Equipped with 24 independent electric motors, one for every single axis of human movement, it instantly multiplies the wearer's strength up to 20 times with zero delay. It reads every muscle twitch and amplifies it perfectly. You can suit up or remove it in under 30 seconds, and with hot swappable batteries, it runs non-stop for an entire workday without fatigue. This isn't science fiction. Delta Airlines is already using it in its massive cargo warehouses. The U.S. Army has deployed it in real-world operations. Major construction companies across America put it on their workers daily. Even more telling, industrial giants Caterpillar, Microsoft, and GE Ventures have poured serious investment into Sarcos. When the biggest players in industry bet this heavily, it's clear. The Guardian XO isn't the future of work, It's the new standard. #2 Boston Dynamics handle. While the world was mesmerized by Atlas doing backflips and dancing in viral videos that racked up billions of views, most people missed what truly mattered. Atlas was entertainment. But quietly, Boston Dynamics was building something far more dangerous to the status quo, a robot designed to actually work. Meet Handle. This revolutionary logistics robot uses advanced deep learning and computer vision to identify and handle boxes of any size, shape, or awkward position with superhuman precision. It can unload trucks, build perfect pallets, and depalletize freight at an insane rate of 1,000 boxes per hour non-stop, 24/7, without ever getting tired, making mistakes, or needing a break. DHL, one of the world's largest logistics giants, has already committed to purchasing more than 1,000 units. Even more impressive, Boston Dynamics is now partnering with Google DeepMind to add a powerful new AI layer that allows Handle to learn entirely new tasks in just minutes instead of weeks. Some warehouses are already projecting full lights-out operations by 2030, entire night shifts running with 0 human workers. This isn't a small upgrade. This is the beginning of fully autonomous industrial facilities. Hashone, Zipline P2. Every single year, hundreds of thousands of people die, not because the medicine didn't exist, but because it couldn't reach them in time. Blood for trauma victims, insulin for diabetics in crisis, antivenom in remote villages. The last mile has always been the deadliest mile in healthcare, a silent killer that no technology had truly conquered. Zipline has spent years mastering this impossible challenge, first in Africa's toughest terrains, completing over 1 million successful deliveries. Now, their groundbreaking P2 drone takes it to an entirely new level. It doesn't need to land. It hovers precisely in the air and gently lowers the package on a smart cable, delivering with pinpoint accuracy into a space as small as half a square meter. Whether it's a hospital rooftop, a crowded balcony, or a remote village clearing, major American institutions aren't just testing it, they're already using it right now. Mayo Clinic, Michigan Medicine, and Walmart in Dallas have integrated the P2 into their real operations. For the first time in human history, your birthplace no longer decides whether life-saving help can reach you within minutes. This isn't just a delivery drone. This is a humanitarian revolution happening in the sky. 8 inventions, 8 impossible problems that generations of engineers, scientists, and dreamers once declared could never be solved. From breaking the sound barrier in silence to delivering life-saving medicine from the sky, each one represents a defiant victory over doubt. Notice what they all share in common. None of them waited for permission. None waited for the world to be ready. None waited for someone else to make it possible. They were built by bold minds who chose to create the future instead of predicting it. The question isn't which invention impressed you the most. The real question is, which of these breakthroughs will you wish you had paid closer attention to sooner, 5 or 10 years from now, when they've completely changed our daily lives? Leave your answer in the comments below. Which one shocked you the most, and which one do you believe will impact humanity the deepest?